To turn on or off noise cancellation on the Redmi Buds 8 Lite, we get actually two methods. The first one, when you open the Xiaomi earbuds application, you can just pick noise cancellation from this panel, but you're probably looking for something that will allow you to do this without grabbing your phone. So for the first time, you have to just grab the phone, go for the gestures, and take a look for the press and hold left or the right earphone. As you can see, when you hold it, then we can switch between the transparency, noise cancellation, and off. So how it looks, take a look. Now we got selection with the noise cancellation, and the touch sensor on this earbuds is located over here. So if I'm gonna click and hold it right here, as you can see, we switched to the transparency mode. If I'm gonna click and hold it one more time, we'll go for the off. And it works exactly the same for the left earbud. Click and hold and release. If you find it useful, please hit the like button.